So across the country, there has been a plea for elective surgeries and other non-essential medical procedures to be put on hold, all as a way to conserve the limited supply of personal protective gear so that doctors on the front lines battling COVID-19 can have it. That's also leading to some states now restricting abortions. And reporter Kate Walsh is breaking down where it's become an issue and what the Southern New England Planned Parenthood is saying.
Well, Danielle, abortion has been a topic of heated debate since it was legalized by Roe v. Wade decades ago, and now it could be brought up to the Supreme Court yet again in the coming months. That's because yesterday in Texas, a federal court of appeals ruled in favor of an executive order by the state to stop all abortions that were considered non-essential, meaning the mother's life wasn't in jeopardy. And that also included any medication abortions, which means it's given by a pill. Planned Parenthood reportedly said it would be going directly to the Supreme Court today to seek relief. The Texas ruling said in the midst of what they called an epidemic, a state can, quote, implement emergency measures that curtail constitutional rights.
This is not about abortion. Unfortunately, this ends up being the way that these things get debated around here. We can have all those debates later. We need to put out the fire now, and the fire is COVID-19.
Texas isn't the only state. West Virginia, Ohio, Iowa, Alabama, and Oklahoma have also put either considered or put out abortions on hold altogether. Some abortion providers have won lawsuits in those states for emergency relief, saying this is a time-sensitive issue. Locally, Planned Parenthood of Southern New England said they are still open.
Health crisis is being used as a tool to shut down clinics, deeming many of our services, including access to abortion, as non-essential care. Can you imagine anything more essential and time-sensitive?
Those were comments made during Planned Parenthood of Southern New England's annual luncheon, which, as you saw, was held virtually this year. Planned Parenthood of Southern New England has 17 centers in Connecticut and Rhode Island, and they said they are still open, especially for telehealth services and for abortions by appointment only. Live in the control room, I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.